Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to broadcast a WhatsApp message for your makeup artist services. For example, you are a makeup artist and you want to share the recent offer to your multiple users at once. Sending each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very hectic task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a broadcast message in where at first we will create a message template. After that we will create a broadcast, then we will schedule a message. You can also schedule your message later as well as send instantly. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of broadcast WhatsApp message for our makeup artist services, let me give you a quick review about how your broadcast message will deliver to your users. So as soon as I have clicked on the send test message button, then you can see it will send one broadcast message to my WhatsApp business account of makeup artist like this. See, get ready to glow with Shine Makeup Artist Studio. Hi beautiful, whether it's your big day, a Photoshop or just a glam night out. Let's just create the perfect look for you, while also mentioning the categories of makeup that are provided by this Shine Makeup Artist Studio, including two buttons, that is book slot and check availability. So if you want to send this type of broadcast message to your multiple users at once, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. This is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced similar challenges like you. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. So the link to join this amazing community is in the description box below. You can check it out. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a broadcast message for our skincare clinic, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account with the help of this button, that is plus add WhatsApp number. If you are click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number or verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. The next one is the Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the Contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contact who interacted with your bot and also see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queues, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once. The seventh one is the flow, where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the records of the actions and events you have performed within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings and the 11th one is the get help. As we are creating a broadcast message, so I'm clicking on this broadcast button. Here you can see this is the page where you can create a broadcast message for your different types of businesses. When you want to easily send a WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts, it is only possible with the help of broadcast. It is perfect for announcement and promotions. As we are creating a new broadcast, so I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. Here you can see this is the starting page of creating a broadcast message, in where I am going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. Here I am going to provide the name of the broadcast that I am going to create in this video. Here I write it, that is broadcast WhatsApp message for our makeup artist services. In the next, you can select the contact list of your users by clicking on this. Here I am selecting that all unassigned contact. You can also add multiple contacts into your Pabbly Chatflow account and select all the contacts from here. After that, the next one is the select message type, where it will provide you two different types of messages, that is pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also write a regular message for your users as well as create a pre-approved template message. So I am going with pre-approved template message, as I have already created one template before for my makeup artist services. For that, I am going to click on the select WhatsApp template button and select the template that I have already created before, that means this template, by clicking on this done button. Here you can see we have selected the template. In this video, I'll also teach you how to create this WhatsApp template. For that, you have to click on this template option and go with this templates list option. So here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple templates for your different type of users. Now I'm going to click on this plus add template button. See, this is the page where we can create our template. At first, I'm going to select the template category as marketing. After that, I'm going to write name of the template, that will be in the lower case, and the special character would not be allowed. You can read the instruction below. Here I write it, that is makeup artist. After that, I'm going to select the language as English. Here you can see it will provide you multiple types of languages. Here I selected. After that, it will provide you different types of template, that is text, image, video, document, etc. I am going with text. You can also write header in this box. It is an optional. After that, in this format box, you can write the format of your template. Here I write it. In some space you can see I'll use this asterisk symbol, because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my users in the bold format like this. Here on the left hand side in this section, you can see the example of the message that were delivered to your users. After that, you can also write template footer in this. I'm not writing it, so I'm leaving this blank. Then you can see it will provide you some interactive actions, that is none, call to actions, quick replies and all. Here I am going to enter 2 quick replies for my users. Here I write it, that is book slot and check availability. After that, our template message is completed. Then you have to click on the submit button. As soon as I have clicked on the submit button, after 2 or 3 minutes, you can see your templates will be approved. Now, after that, we will get back to our broadcast. Here, after this step, I am going to write the username as test user. After that, in this box, I am writing the number. Here I write it, then it will provide you 2 options to schedule your broadcast. That is yes, schedule for later, as well as no, send instantly. You can also schedule your broadcast for later by clicking on this option, that is yes, schedule for later. As I am not scheduling this broadcast message for later, so I am going with this no, send instantly. After that, I am going to click on the send test message button. Here you can see it will provide you one message, that is test broadcast send. So now we will go to our WhatsApp business account of makeup artist. Then you can see the message is delivered successfully, including 2 buttons, that is book slot and check availability, that we were provided here. After that, we have to click on this add broadcast button. See, our broadcast is created successfully and it is live. With the help of this, your broadcast message will deliver to your multiple users like this. It is only possible with the feature of broadcast that are present in the Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.